Now I'm going to style my hair with the shea butter mix that I made, the Ayurveda shea butter blend. I've already started using it. It's just that I've gotten questions. So this is what it looks like. I know it looks like dirt, but I've gotten some questions asking me how I use it. And I want to know from you, how would you use the shea butter Ayurveda blend? And how do I style my hair with this? It's shea butter. So I use it like I would shea butter. But you all asked for a video on this, so hey, why not make a video, alright? As you would know, I love to layer on my ingredients. So this is my mix with my fenugreek mix, that new one that I made. You can find a video with this. It has fenugreek, aloe, some MSM, and I added some tulsi as well to this one. And then I have, today I'm using the Main Choice leave-in conditioner. Here you go. The Main Choice leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to follow up with the shea butter. And then I'm also going to massage my scalp a little bit and apply some oils to my scalp. So let's do this. So this is my Ayurveda oil that I have. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use in my hair now. First, before I do that, I'm going to spritz my hair throughout. Spritz, spritz, spritz. Then apply the oil. Let it sit for 20 minutes on my hair. And then I'm going to apply everything else. Okay, so let me show you. First, I'm going to section my hair. I like to take my spritz here and just soak my hair. Oh, smells strange. Alright, so once I've hydrated my hair and it's completely soaked, I like to take my oil and just put it on my scalp, massage it in with my fingertips, and then apply it along the length of my strands. Alright, and then I wrap that up and I do the same thing throughout my hair. And I'm going to leave that for about 20 minutes and really let that soak in. And after I apply the oil to my scalp, I usually massage. Alright, and we're back. So I've already moisturized and oiled and my scalp, massaged my scalp and my hair. So now it's time to apply everything, because you want to know how I use the shea butter, don't you? Okay, so first I go in with my flaxseed gel. Do you see that? Oh yeah. Okay, got my flaxseed gel there, so it's all gooey. Oh goodness. All right, so I'm gonna apply that to my hair first. All right, a lot of you always ask me, why do I apply the flaxseed gel first? This is just like how I like to do it, because it's like, for me, the best way to lock in moisture, and my hair stays moisturized for three days, at least 3 days, and even longer if I don't have my hair in a braid out or twist out for very long. So I'm gonna apply this throughout. So now that the flaxseed is distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using Main Choice, just a little dab, not really. So this is how much I'm going to use. All right, on this portion of my hair right there. Alrighty, once that is distributed, well distributed, I am then going to apply shea butter mud mix. My Ayurveda shea butter blend. So I'm going to just grab a little bit there. Can you see? Can you see? So that's the amount I'm going to use, just on the probably bottom portion of my hair. I'm going to apply this here. Gonna grab a little bit more again. Gonna do my ends first. Apply the shea butter, and just before I apply it, I just rub it in between my hands here to just warm it up, and then apply it along the length of my hair, just to help seal in all the moisture I'm gonna go grab a little bit more. This is not how I usually braid my hair, but today I want to do a few braids, then a few more braids than I usually would. So now I'm just gonna braid this portion of my hair. This is one braid down, and sometimes I even put the shea butter on my scalp, but I didn't do any today. Alright, so my braid is complete. These are my 3 braids on this side. And now I'm going to do the rest of my hair. Pow, pow. So I'll be back when I'm all done, okay? So you get the process. Okay, finally finished all my hair. It's all done. So this is what my hair looks like after applying the flaxseed, the leave-in conditioner, and shea butter mix.